BingeWave is a low-code and no-code app builder for building out interactive video applications without having to write any code. This includes things like making interactive and fun games. You can do coding sessions that are used for teaching. You can integrate things like Miro and Figma for interactive sessions. You can even create interactive live events where the fans can engage on screen in real time. And again, all of this with little or no coding have to be done. So how does this work? Every video session is actually can be controlled by a control panel and their options. So let's say, for an example, we want to put everyone's video on the left side. It's simply coming to the video layout and choosing which video option we want. And when we update the video layout, people will automatically be placed on the left side of the video. And then there's options for doing things like placing people on the right side of the video. If you wanted to, we could also do a horizontal vertical carousel. There are many video options here that we can use for customizing stuff. Once you're done with the video layout, there's many other options you could choose for. You can do things like dominant speaker toggling to change who's the dominant speaker on screen instead of maxing out people who actually want to be on screen at a certain time. You can change items such as the video resolution, which can really help with bandwidth for like mobile devices. You can even fine-tune it for different devices or having resolutions different for desktop, tablets, and mobile phones. Then you can have other options such as video off options to hide users on screen, and then there's miscellaneous options too that really focus on the experience. You can have vertical alignment to have stuff centered vertically or horizontally on screen correctly. And then we have streaming options, in which when you're live streaming something, you can choose to whether you want low latency or 4K coming out, and then you can enter multiple endpoints online too, streaming to different sources all at the same time. And for designers, you know a little bit of CSS, you can fully then customize the CSS on the page to get it exactly how you want and really hone the experience. One of the greatest things we offer is our own style guide, where we teach you actually how to put the classes all around the interface to get it exactly how you need it to look. And then we can get into branding, where you can add your own images to the page as well to really have it be certified towards your brand. And then finally, we move on to the widgets. Widgets are components you can place on screen at anywhere to make it interactive. So let's say, for an example, we want to add a widget that does 3D modeling on screen. You select which widgets you want the widget to have on screen, and then where it's going to go on screen. And then you'll see, these widgets pop up in real time, and you can actually interact with it as a user. So this is how we make that full custom experience. And then once your interface is built out exactly as you want it, you simply come over to our Embed Codes, find the embed code that you're looking for, and simply just copy what you want and paste it inside your app builder. This can be like Glide app, this can be a WordPress Drupal site, this can be a mobile embed on an iPhone or Android. It goes inside anything, and there you will have your application done. Thank you.